Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this salmon in this cream sauce with spinach and mushrooms, and then I put it over a bed of Bowtie Pasta. Okay, so if you would like to see how I cook this dish, then keep watching. G Squad, so here are all the ingredients here on the counter, starting with my salmon fillet. Then in these 2 measuring cups I have half a cup of vegetable stock, and then in this cup I have 1/3 cup of this cooking wine, this white cooking wine. This is the one that I'm using. Then I have right here in this bowl some mushrooms that I washed. I have some fresh spinach in that bowl that I washed as well. And here I have 1 cup of heavy cream. This is what it looks like, the one that I use. Then back here I have some of the shredded mozzarella cheese. I also have part of my seasonings. I have some dry oregano leaves. I have basil leaves. Then in this bowl I have about 2-3 cloves of minced garlic. I have some avocado oil I'm going to be using. Some pink Himalayan salt. I have some black pepper, turmeric, some complete seasoning, and then I have some paprika. Okay, and this pasta right here is pronounced farfalle. It's Italian, so you want to put that stretch that middle part, farfalle. Okay, there you go. So now let's get started with putting together our dish. Alright, G Squad, so here I present to you my salmon cooked in a spinach and mushroom cream sauce over some Bowtie Pasta. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. We're almost at 1K. Let's see if we can do this by the end of the year. And yeah, family, I love you guys so much. Stay positive. All the blessings your way to you and your family. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.